As a marketing leader or a business owner, it's hard to find answers to the questions that you have when you're trying to figure out how do I get more leads and more qualified business going into my company. And I want to be here to help with you. So, we've actually implemented a brand new feature on our website at conversionstore.com. It's our chatbot. Now, a lot of companies have chatbots, but we wanted to make ours a little bit special too. We have the ability to be able to accept phone calls right away from our chatbot, and we have the ability to be able to interact with you and answer questions just like we normally would. We're introducing a number of new features into the company that allow you to make the most out of artificial intelligence and also of our vast experience helping companies of all sizes with their marketing operations and their marketing automation. You don't have to be a Fortune 50 company to work with us. In fact, we pride ourselves on being able to service you and me and the other companies that aren't the massive companies that you see on CNBC, but are the companies that are just looking to be able to drive profitable, repeatable business for themselves and for the families that work for them. If that's you and you have questions, visit us at conversionstore.com, or of course, you can always drop me a phone call at 704-469-5137 here in the United States. So visit us online at conversionstore.com, and we look forward to speaking with you in real time.